Welcome to Full On Bar. In this masterclass, we map the Info-LN career path from fresher to solution architect. We will cover the 6 career milestones, the typical compensation at each stage, the skills and certifications that unlock each next step, and the pitfalls that quietly stall careers. If you are starting out in Info-LN or planning your next move, this is your roadmap. Let us begin. Here is the agenda for today. We start with why an Info-LN career is worth investing in: demand, pay, and longevity. Then we walk the end-to-end path, 6 career milestones from trainee to architect. We cover trainee and associate, functional consultant, senior consultant, lead consultant, principal consultant, and finally solution architect. And we close with the skills, certifications, and indicative compensation that unlock each next step. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap for the next decade of your career. Why Info-LN? The annual range for Info-LN roles in the US runs from $70,000 to $187,000. Barn & Ellen have a 30-plus year install base. It is one of the longest life-cycle ERPs in the world. There are 5-plus modules to specialize in: distribution, warehousing, manufacturing, financials, and common. And it is global. Europe, the US, and Asia Pacific manufacturing all run on it. Info-LN is the manufacturing ERP of choice for thousands of mid to large discrete manufacturers: automotive, aerospace, industrial machinery, and electronics. Specialists are scarce, life cycles are long, and the platform keeps modernizing with InfoOS, Ion, Mongoose, and CloudSuite. The curve never flattens. Here are the 6 milestones at a glance. Stage 1, trainee or associate, 0 to 2 years. Stage 2, functional consultant, 2 to 5 years. Stage 3, senior consultant, 5 to 8 years. Stage 4, lead or module lead consultant, 8 to 12 years. Stage 5, principal consultant, 10 to 15 years. And Stage 6, solution architect, 12 plus years. Each step is unlocked by depth, delivery, and visibility. You move from doing, to owning, to designing, to architecting. Add 1 module a year, lead 1 project per role, and present at 1 community event. That is a playbook every architect followed. Stage 1, trainee or associate consultant, 0 to 2 years. Typical compensation is 4 to 7 lakhs in India, or 40 to 55,000 US dollars. Step 1, Master LN navigation, sessions, BP and item master, and parameters. Step 2, pick 1 module to specialize in: distribution, warehousing, manufacturing, financials, or common. Step 3, shadow seniors on tickets, UAT, and master data loads. Step 4, own small change requests and break-fix support cases end-to-end. Step 5, earn Info education badges and build a screen-by-screen notebook. Status moves from fresher to module ready. Focus is the speed of learning. The first 18 months set the pace for the whole career. Red flags: bouncing between modules without depth, and no certifications by month 18. Stage 2, functional consultant, 2 to 5 years. Typical compensation is 8 to 16 lakhs, or $70,000 to $95,000. Now you own a module end-to-end: distribution, warehousing, financials, manufacturing, or service. You lead business process reviews and fit gap workshops. You author functional design documents for every RICFW item. You drive UAT, writing scripts, running cycles, and managing defects. And you train key users, building SOPs, cheat sheets, and reference decks. Status moves from module ready to module owner. The customer trusts you to design their core process. Red flag: if you cannot articulate trade-offs to business and still need a senior in every workshop, you are not yet at this stage. Stage 3, Senior Consultant, 5 to 8 years. Typical compensation is 16 to 28 lakhs, or $95 to $125,000. Now you have cross-module fluency. You own 2 adjacent modules plus 1 integration tool, Ion, IDM, or Mongoose. You lead end-to-end value streams, order to cash, procure to pay, or make to deliver. You mentor 2 to 3 junior consultants and review their FTDs. You run independent assessments, gap analyses, and audits. And you start speaking at community events and publishing on LinkedIn. Status moves from module owner to stream owner. The focus is connecting modules and anticipating downstream impact. The big red flag at this stage is staying in a single module silo with no view of integration boundaries. Stage 4, Lead or Module Lead Consultant, 8 to 12 years. Typical compensation is 28 to 45 lakhs, or $125 to $155,000. You now lead a work stream of 4 to 10 consultants on a full implementation. You own scope, schedule, and the scope creep negotiation with the client. You approve every FDD and TDD before they reach build. You run cutover and hypercare on the bridge during go-live. And you career coach the team with quarterly reviews and growth plans. Status moves from stream owner to work stream lead. The focus is people, delivery, and scope, 3 plates spinning at once. Red flag: if you are still doing the build instead of orchestrating it, you are not yet operating as a lead and your team will burn out. Stage 5, Principal Consultant, 10 to 15 years. Typical compensation is 45 to 70 lakhs, or $145 to $175,000. You become a pre-sales authority, a practice builder, and an industry voice. You handle pre-sales solutioning, RFPs, demos, and response strategy. You define delivery methodology and reusable accelerators. You build the practice, hire, certify, mentor, retain. You hold customer C-level conversations and partner on account strategy. And you build industry credibility through papers, podcasts, and partner forums. Status moves from workstream lead to practice authority. The focus is sell and scale, less project, more practice. Red flag at this stage: getting disconnected from the latest technology like CloudSuite, Ion, and GenAI integrations. Stage 6, Solution Architect, 12 plus years. Typical compensation is 70 lakhs to 1.5 crore, or $160 to $225,000 and beyond. You design the end-to-end ERP architecture, L&Co, plus InfoOS, plus Ion, plus third-party. You make the build, buy, or configure trade-off calls for the entire program. You sign off on integrations, the security model, and performance service level agreements. You steer the roadmap for upgrades to CloudSuite Industrial Enterprise. And you are the final escalation point on technical risk and architectural debt. Status moves from practice authority to solution authority. The focus is trade-offs, risk, and longevity, architect for 10-year horizons. From here, the next steps are CTO, head of ERP, or independent advisory. Now the skills, certifications, and compensation by stage. Trainee or associate core skills are navigation, BP and item master, and SQL basics. Certs are in for Ellen Education Foundation badges. Compensation 4 to 7 lakhs in India, $40,000 to $55,000 in the US. Functional Consultant, FDD Authoring, UAT, and 1 Module Deep. Cert, Info Certified Pro Module Exam. 8 to 16 lakhs, $70,000 to $95,000. Senior Consultant, 2 Modules plus Ion, Value Stream Design. Multi-Module and Integration Certs. 16 to 28 lakhs, $95,000 to $125,000. Lead, Workstream Lead, Cutover, Mentoring. PMP Operations 2 plus LN Advanced. 28 to 45 lakhs. Principal, Pre-Sales, Practice, Industry Voice. Industry Vertical Certifications. 45 to 70 lakhs. Solution Architect, Architecture, Cloud Suite, OS plus Ion. Infor Architect Tracks plus Cloud Certs. 70 lakhs to 1.5 crore. To wrap up, best practices, pick one module and go 3 years deep before adding the next. Build a screen-by-screen notebook from day one. Lead one project per stage, visibility unlocks promotions. And publish LinkedIn posts, community answers, deck shares. Your reputation compounds. Common pitfalls, bouncing between modules without depth, no certifications by year 3, getting stuck in support roles past year 5, and ignoring Cloud Suite, OS, and Ion modernization. To learn and grow, visit courses.fullomban.com for our structured LN curriculum. Interview.fullomban.com for role-by-role prep. Repo.fullomban.com for over 37,000 Q&A threads. And docs.info.com/LN for the official LN 10.8 reference. Thank you for watching and best of luck on your LN career.